Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to view all voice messages in a group on the Telegram app using your PC. This feature is super handy for organizing and accessing all the voice messages shared in a group. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once the app is open, you'll see your chat list on the left-hand side. Next, locate the group where you want to view the voice messages. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it. Once you've found the group, click on it to open the conversation. Now, look towards the top of the group chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's contact information page, where you can access various details and settings related to the group. On this page, you'll see different categories like shared media, files, and more. Look for the section labeled Voice Messages, or something similar depending on your Telegram version. Click on it to access all the voice messages shared within this group. And that's it. You now have a complete view of all voice messages in that group. From here, you can listen to any message or manage them as needed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your Telegram experience even better.